Thank you very much.
What is that you order?
Which one? My order?
I don't know. Paano nga ba yun?
But I don't know how to use it. I need to see YouTube video. Sometimes we Oh, wow. We are in the same family.
I guess only one you will May cheese to. Sarap na. Ito yung isda, no?
Am I using this
Just like this.
Wait, let me handle chopstick.
One is here. What on the top? You just make it like this. Like this. Ha? Ano na ba yung order namin? Ano ba yung order?
Chicken curry rice sa yakisoba.
Ito yung ano? Ito yung yakisoba? Very good yan.
What was that?
Chicken. Chicken fish. Something like that. You make little.
I know how to hold it. I want a toast actually.
This is the sauce. But this is the rice also.
Just
Yes, yes. The one we are always only in the This one is a steady. But the one we will is in the
this one like this. I can check in Google.
Before you finish that one, I finish already this.
No, wait, slowly.